Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I was just going to do a little get ready with me for work, have a little chit chat with you because I've got a little bit of spare time before I go to work. I've got a ginormous mug of tea, and I've just had a knock on the door. Oh, I've definitely got a hair in my tea, lovely. I just had a knock on the door from the postman and a parcel from Pixi has arrived. I'm so excited. These are probably, I'm not even gonna lie, these are probably the PR parcels that I get the most excited for, and this is only my second one, just because of how beautiful presented they are, and I just love the colour scheme of Pixi. If you've watched my channel for years now, you know my favourite colour has always been green or pink. My mum's favourite colour is green. I'm sure sometimes when you ask Millie, sometimes she says her favourite colour is green because mine and my mum's favourite colour is green as well, but certain tones of green that we love. So yeah, I've just received this big parcel, and when you open it up, it looks like this. Oh my god, it looks so good. So this is what it looks like. It's got a little tiny spinner in the middle, and it's basically saying, which I absolutely love, I feel like it's a bit focusing on about looking after you and yourself, which is what I'm totally up for. I'm trying to do at the moment as well with my mental health. So it says Pixi Beauty is all about making you look and feel your most gorgeous self in a few fuss-free moments. Love the skin you're in, take some me time to treat yourself. Which must-have mask will you enjoy today? Simply spin the dial to let the relaxation begin. Enjoy your Pixi me time, which I just think is absolutely lovely. I absolutely love the whole idea behind this packaging, love it. So we have depuff, detox, peel, glow and purify, and then a little facial cleansing cloth as well. So the depuff are some detox, if I like how that is, depuff and eye patches, if I can spit my words out. I'm just so excited. So it's 30 pairs, so there's 60 patches inside, and then you also have a spatula, and I've already opened them up. The patches are green and they're glittery. Cannot wait to try them. We also have, for the detox, we have the Glow Mud Mask as well. So this is a pore clearing, which I really need on my nose at the moment. I don't know if you can see, but it's really, really bad. Glow Revealing Mask. It's got aloe vera in. It's a mineral-rich mud combined to create the ultimate deep pore cleansing and skin energizing mask. Great for congested, dull and tired skin, which is me in a nutshell. And then we have peel. We have the peel and polish, which looks like this. This is the resurfacing concentrate. It's a salon peel treatment which is made easy at home. It's a radiance revealing enzyme peel, which I'm really excited to try, especially for my nose because I get so flaky there as well, and it kind of like the skin kind of sticks and it's like flaky skin, so that'll help to peel that off. Then, oh my god, there's loads. I thought there was only going to be one in here. I thought it was like just one mask like scrumpled up into the box, but there isn't. There's like 3 of them. So these are the Pixi Glow Glycolic Boost. So this is glycolic acid, witch hazel and ginseng, I can't pronounce things. This is a brightening infusion sheet mask. Girl, you know I'm so excited for these. And then we also have, that one's for glow, and then we also have purify. So this is the T-Zone Peel Off Mask Pore Purifier. Purify and Peel Off Mask. It's a detoxifying mask which draws out impurities and peels off to reveal immediate results. A unique green superfood blend, helps refresh and refine. Great for congested skin. It's like they're just new who they were sending this to. And then also, like I said, you get one of their little face cloths as well. If you watch my channel, you've been watching my favourites videos, you'll know that I've used face cloths every single day now, whereas before I was like a micellar water and cotton pad kind of gal, but now I'm loving the really good like cleansers and a really good cloth alongside it as well. So thank you so much Pixi for that. I actually am so excited to get home tonight and try a mask out. So yeah, let's get on with my work and makeup routine that I was going to show you. Let's get started. That's what I made my day now. It's just a coincidence as well that, like, obviously I'm on a late tonight and that came whilst I'm sat here getting ready for work. because normally I have to go pick things up from the post office. Like the other day I had to pick something up from the post office, and when I got there it wasn't even for me, it was for my mum, and they'd put the wrong person's name on the red sheet. So I was fuming because I thought I had a present and I didn't. It would just be a present off myself because I've ordered stuff, but it's not the point. So I'm going to start off with the number 7 Hydra Luminous Moisturising Foundation. I'm in the shade Calico, which I believe is their lightest shade. I never shake this, but I'm going to shake it and see if that makes any difference. I thought I'd show you, like I said at the beginning of the video, what my everyday makeup routine is like, what products I typically reach for and have in my like everyday drawer for work, because then when it comes to me starting my new series, which I'm so excited to get into and show you, I'm hoping it'll show that I'm being adventurous, I am trying new products, and these are the kind of things I typically reach for, so you can kind of see what my normal routine is. So then when I'm picking new things out of my stash, which is what my series is going to be called, let me just put this a little bit higher. So my series is going to be called Shop My Stash, and I'm hoping for it to be a weekly series where every single week I go through my makeup collection and I pick new things that I have to use, and I can only use them products solely for a full week, so that I'm actually using things up in my collection. I'm just using a stippling brush, by the way, just to blend all of this out, because I have so much stuff that I just find I never ever seem to get my foundation in my little nuts and crannies in my nose, so I just use my fingers. But I find that I never really go through my makeup collection when I'm getting ready for work. I just kind of wear the same thing that's in like my everyday makeup drawer. So it's to push me out my comfort zone. I'll show you. Shall I show you? Okay. I'll show you a little sneak peek. This is the introduction that I've made for my new series. What do you think? Are you excited? How are you feeling about it? There are going to be certain things that are going to be excluded from the stash, because the whole reason behind the video is to actually use the products that I have and to stop wasting things and letting them just sit in my drawers and just literally they're just sat there going out of date, let's be serious. So there's certain things that will be excluded from the shop every single week. So for instance, mascara, brow gel, I think they're the only two that I've really thought of that have to be excluded, because I'm not opening fresh mascaras every single week. I'm not opening a fresh brow gel every single week. It's just a waste, an absolute waste, and the whole point of the video is to be the opposite of that. So yeah, but apart from that, I'm actually really excited to start this series. I think it's going to be so good. Please let me know down below what you think it's going to be like, what you're expecting. I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Infallible powder, and I just kind of put this all over my face with the Spectrum A00 brush, which is what I always use for my powder, to be fair. I like this foundation because it's very light. It gives me just a bit of coverage, a bit of evenness in my skin, but it's not too much for work, it's not too heavy. And to be honest with you, once I've got my makeup on and I've gone to work, after then I don't even care what I look like if it starts wearing off throughout the day. Unless it's like really obvious and just looks an absolute mess, then that's when I'll have a problem. But apart from that, I just think, oh, I'm at work now, I don't even care. I'm actually going in, by the way, with the MAC Dark Tan Mineralized Skin Finish, and then going in with the blusher brush from Real Techniques, which I always use for my bronzer. I just think it's so big to be a blusher brush, especially for my little tiny head. So in this series as well, I'm going to have a special guest, which is going to be Minnie every single week. And then he's going to have Minnie's pick of the week, and she's going to pick one. I'm literally letting her go in my full makeup collection. She can pick whatever she wants, and she can just go in whatever drawer she wants to go in. She can pick one product, and that's Minnie's pick of the week. And I have to, at some point in the week, incorporate that into my makeup look. So I think what I'm going to have to do is set up a little foundation stash for me to pick from that actually match my colour now, because there's like there's no, I mentioned this in my live video the other day, but say for instance if my foundations are stuck, say for instance if I go my foundation drawer and then I pick out one of these which are like my fake tan night out colours which is absolutely crazy. I don't like this colour when they're on me anyway. But there's no way that I could wear these for work. I'd look an absolute mess. And at the end of the day, like when I'm at work, I need to be professional. So I'm going to have like a little stash of foundations to randomly pick from, but that are actually my colour. I'm excited to kind of do like different versions of it. I'd like to do ones where other people come in and pick my makeup for the week. I'd like to do it where maybe, I don't know, I do a poll and you can pick what makeup, or you can comment on the videos and tell me what makeup it is like when I use. By the way, I've just used that Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills with the Morphe M501 brush, and I'm going to go, oh god, hair in my mouth, ugh. Nasty. I'm going to go in with the Milani Luminoso brush, Luminoso Baked Powder Blush, which apparently shapes, contours and highlights, but I don't really get how it contours, but hey. If I can open the bloody thing. There we go. It just looks like this. And I'm taking the Spectrum A05 brush. If you can you recommend me down below some blusher brushes that I can try out? Ones that are preferably lightly going to apply blusher, because I feel like this is just a little bit too packed with bristles. I think it's a little bit too, and I just can't get that balance right between. So yeah, I've got no glasses on, so I'm like this, trying to see whether I'm even in focus. I never ever wear contact lenses when I'm at work, because I just always have my gigs on. And I just got over it with my brush from before. And then sometimes if I put a bit too much on, which I can't decide if I have because I can't really see that much at the moment, I'm just going to put my powder brush over the top. What else was I doing? So, last but not least, literally how quick and easy my like work routine is. I go in with the NYX brown mascara this is the tinted brown mascara in the shade Black Noir. And I just basically put like brushes through my brows, to be honest with you. I have to be a little bit closer because I couldn't really see before. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm excited to start using other things in my makeup collection, to start pushing myself out of my comfort zone, and maybe even try wearing eyeshadows a bit more like during the day for work. Even though I'm going to have like my glasses on anyway, it might actually push me to start going to work without my glasses on and wear contact lenses, because if you know like old Lucy, like years and years and years ago, I used to wear contact lenses every single day. Like I never ever used to wear my glasses at all. And then I started getting lumps on my eyeballs because I wasn't taking care of my eyes when I was wearing the contact lenses the best way. And the contact lenses weren't letting enough oxygen in, like for my eyes as well. So my eyes were getting really dry, and then the contact lens was rubbing against the dryness. And when it was rubbing, it was kind of like, this is going to sound so gross, but it was like pushing the surface of my eye and then making loads of little lumps, and you couldn't actually see them at the front of my eye. It was only when they went to the opticians and they looked like around the back of my eye, and they're like, yeah, you've got lumps on your eyeballs. And they told me to start wearing my glasses more often, and that was maybe, I don't know, 3 years ago now. Yeah, 2-3 years ago, and I just wear my glasses just every single day now, because it does hurt sometimes when I wear contact lenses. It's weird, it's like, it doesn't hurt when I go on a night out that much, only if I get like makeup, like powder into my eye, then that's when it hurts. But it really hurts like just during the day, or when I've had them on for so long during the day as well. Especially if I've been, like, I've had them before for work, and then I've been on my computer loads at work doing like clients' notes and stuff, and I've been like, oh my god, my eyes, and I'm like this, rubbing my eyes are so sore. So most of the time when I do actually wear contact lenses, I wear them and then take my glasses with me so that I'm not like stuck with them, I can take them out. So it's time to blow dry my hair. I'll be back with you in a second. And this is the finished look. Literally so simple. That's all I want for work. You're lucky if I catch you with my hair nice and fresh like this, and it feels so soft. I've used the new mask today. This one. So I washed my hair like always from using my normal stuff, and then I used the Salon Keeping It Rich Moisturising Mask, which is ideal for dry hair. just looks like this. And this, ooh, sounds like a fart then. This says to put on clean wet hair, focus it on the ends, leave in 8 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For deeply distressed strands, leave them for a few hours before rinsing. I literally only left it in for like the 8-10 minutes. Well, my hair feels so lovely and soft. I feel the ends feel, if I can get it back where it needs to be. There we go. And the ends feel so lovely and soft, and I don't know, just don't feel dry or anything like that. They feel really, really, really good. I do also think it's because, so before I used that mask, I hadn't done anything different to my hair. I was using the exact same routine, but my hair has really, really improved using these LQ hair, like liquid health supplements for skin, hair and nails. I haven't saw any difference in my skin, really, like at all. I've got false nails on, so I couldn't really test the nail side of it. But out of all of it, it was my hair that I really, really wanted it to help with, because my hair just keeps snapping and falling out. And it was really, and I mean like really, really getting me down, because I would put my fingers through my hair and then a big clump of my hair would fall out. I'd brush my hair, big clumps would fall out. I'd be in the shower washing my hair, big clumps would fall out. I was at the hairdressers, big clumps are falling out. My hair has just been, I don't know what's been happening with it. So I took a step back from the hairdressers for quite a while now. I can't remember the last time I got my hair done, but it hasn't been this year, and obviously we're 3 months into the year now, so I don't know what the hell's been happening with my hair at the moment, but I feel like these have helped so much. And they're like £20 something for a 10-day sample, something daft like that, and I would highly, highly recommend. I've got a full video going up soon of about these as well. Honestly, and it tells you more about them there, but I honestly would highly, highly recommend. And I'm actually debating buying another 10-day pack as well. I booked myself in for Olaplex treatment on Saturday this week, because I didn't want to have the Olaplex treatment whilst I was trying the 10-day sample of the supplements, because I didn't want that to be the reason why my hair got better and not be able to tell whether it's a supplement or not. So I literally haven't changed anything in my hair routine at all. So yeah, I'm just really, really impressed with the condition of my hair at the moment. And I just hope it continues to be like this, because my hair is literally my baby, and I don't ever want that to happen again where it was falling out like that. It still does come out, but not as clumpy as what it was before. And I feel like it's just normal amount maybe, or maybe just a tad bit more than normal, more than average that's falling out. But compared to before, oh my god, it's drastically changed just from me taking them supplements. I did get them sent to me, which to be honest with you, I didn't expect to see any difference with them, especially in my hair. I didn't expect, I thought more so my skin maybe would have got better, but no, it's definitely been my hair. So I highly, highly recommend them. I'm going to go to work. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below what you're thinking of the whole Shop My Stash series. And yeah, I'm so excited. It took me so long to edit that introduction for it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and a subscribe down below, and turn on your notifications as well. Don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. I love you so much. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm just loving YouTube at the moment. Bye guys.